Hey guys, it's Melanie. So this is kind of a random video that I actually wasn't planning on uploading, but I have gotten several questions about suggestions for what to buy during the Ulta jumbo, I guess, love sale that they are having right now. This sale is both in store as well as online, and there are some really great deals to be had on um, rather large sizes of shampoos and conditioners and whatnot. And there's also some great sales on the styling products as well. So I went ahead and, for those of you that requested it, compiled my favorite suggestions that I typically buy during the sale, things that I have loved in the past. Um, I did I did purchase a couple of jumbo products but they were just for Stella because, quite honestly, during the last jumbo sale, I stocked up quite a bit on my favorites. So I'm actually all set. Quite frankly, I'm probably set for all of 2020 when it comes to shampoo and conditioner. Lord knows that is not going to stop me from buying more when the sale comes around again in June. But this would be a great time to pick up a jumbo size of a shampoo and conditioner that you know that you love, or that you know that you're going to love, because the deals are really, really good. So, yeah, without further ado, here are the things that I really like and that I would recommend personally. I'm not saying you have to go out and buy these. I'm just saying, for those of you that asked, these are the things that I typically pick up during the sale. We'll also kind of go through some of the other things that they have available, and we'll talk about it. So, all right. So my first suggestion is the Macadamia Professionals weightless repair shampoo and conditioner. By the way, I will put these all in the description box for you, so there will be links that will take you directly to these. Definitely go read up. Hi, Penny. Hi, sweet girl. If you hear snorts, it's not me. it's my little pug snout here. I'll put links to these down below so that you can go and read up about them. Yeah, and choose to either purchase online, or, like I said, all of this stuff is available in store as well. So if you have an Ulta near you, feel free to shop there. Okay, so the weightless repair shampoo and conditioner are fantastic for those of you that have fine, thin hair like I do. This truly does not weigh the hair down. It smells incredible. Probably one of the best smelling shampoo and conditioners that you can get out there. The only reason I'm not, again, picking it up this go around is because I have several jumbos that I still need to get through, and but come either June or July, when the sale happens again, you better believe these will be coming home with me again, because by that point I will be at least through one or two of the jumbos that I'm working on. So, all right, and great deal. Normally $40, basically half price. It's $19.99. Oh, you guys, stop! Come on. Sorry about if you can hear the madness behind me. I'm really sorry. They're fine. They're just playing. So that's a great one, especially for $20 a pop. Super great deal. Okay. The Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging Replenishing Moisture Shampoo and Conditioner. If you have naturally gray hair, this is amazing. I love this shampoo and conditioner. It's so expensive. Obviously, the discount isn't substantial, but it is currently discounted down to $41.60 for both the shampoo and the conditioner. Honestly, I cannot recommend this shampoo and conditioner enough. It is super concentrated. You are going to need maybe like a pump of the shampoo and maybe 2 pumps of the conditioner. I mean, it is so concentrated. It is this, along with the Pureology, I feel like these go the furthest. I use so little product, and it's amazing. Again, they smell really good. I know it isn't about the way that a product smells, but the performance just is fantastic for my hair. So again, if you are naturally gray, this is just very hydrating and nourishing to my naturally gray hair without weighing it down. Um, it just cleans my hair beautifully. I love it. This will always be a holy grail to me. Another holy grail is, and this is on a pretty decent discount, is the Pureology Hydrate Conditioner as well as the shampoo. I'm gonna warn you right now that the smell of the shampoo is not my favorite, and I've complained about this several times. But the performance is so good that I can look past the smell. The smell of this is more of like a slightly more masculine smell. The conditioner, however, smells like kind of minty, really refreshing, actually. So they do not smell the same, but honestly, again, for my drier, naturally gray hair, these have been fantastic. I always purchase the large size of these when they go on sale because they're just that good, you guys. With this, you will have to purchase a pump. You don't have to. I mean, if you're fine lifting something like this up in the shower, definitely. But I'll link the pump down below as well. They used to give them to you for free with the purchase of each liter of shampoo that you bought, but they make you pay $1 now. The pumps are great. They work fine. So $59.50 for the conditioner, $57.80 for the shampoo. Again, these will last you forever because they're super concentrated. You don't need a lot of product. Yada yada. Okay, let's talk about the It's a 10 Miracle Hair Mask. I actually just finished this morning in the shower. It's so hard for me to not buy this because I loved it. I am so sad that I just finished it, but I still have several hair masks in my backup stash that I still need to review, and so I'm going to save this one for the summer Jumbo Love sale. So I'll be getting this again, hands down. It was amazing. Yeah. In fact, my hair today just feels so good. This is a wonderful hair mask, and for 30 bucks, I would say grab it now. Again, a little bit goes a long way. This will last you a very long time. Now, I also really like the It's a 10 Miracle Daily Conditioner. I've only used that one a few times, but it's really good. Again, it's 30 bucks this go around, so you're saving quite a bit of money there. I have actually not used the Miracle Moisture shampoo, but I'm sure it's just as good. So I'm going to put it down as a recommendation. So these two are kind of intended to work together. Although you can mix and match whatever you want. Like you don't have to use for example, the Pureology Hydrate shampoo. If there's another Pureology shampoo that you really like, stick that in there. And then go with a conditioner. Like I like going with what matches, just because it's what I do, but you don't have to. So I look forward to trying this. It is something that I will again put into my cart during the summer sale. But as of right now, I am enjoying this. I think it's a good product. Pick it up when it's discounted because the discount is pretty significant on this. Regularly 50 bucks, now down to 30. So all right, here are just a few of my styling suggestions for you guys here. So the Paul Mitchell Extra Body line is one that I rely on very heavily because, again, I have fine, thin hair. So all three of these work fantastic. In fact, if you use all three together, you can get some big hair. And the great thing about these Paul Mitchell products and several other lines during the sale is they are buy two, get one free. So if you were to grab the root lifter and the sculpting foam, actually that's a bad example because you would get this one for free. So if you were to buy the finishing spray and the sculpting foam in the larger size, which is what I would just recommend because that's my favorite way to go, then you would get the root lifter in the 8.5 ounce for free. They do have larger sizes of this one as well. In fact, when I bought it, I bought the supersized version, which I think is 16 ounces or something. I don't know. It's like double the size of this. Great product. I just used it this morning. I did not use the sculpting foam because right now I'm using up my Aquage, but it's so good. This would be your big hair trio. So just saying. You don't have to buy the larger size of this mousse. It does come in one size down. So if you're on a little bit of a tighter budget, then you can bring the cost of this down a little bit. My last suggestion for you guys before we go snooping around here really quickly is if you wonder about the random times when I like color my hair, I use this stuff here, the Keracolor. This is their Clenditioner, and it's fantastic. Let's see, can we get up? There's only a few colors available in the jumbo size, so just to keep that in mind. So it's regularly $44. The one I love is the purple. I have a large size of the purple in my closet. In fact, I'm thinking about going purple again for the beginning of the year here. I don't know, what do you guys think? I also actually have the pink. Now, the pink is not recommended for gray hair, but I picked it up anyway in the liter size because I want to try it. And I think it's pretty. So, I don't know. I think I might do the pink in the summertime and then purple for winter. I think that sounds like a hoot. But so there's also a silver option here. There's a platinum. There's also this really pretty rose gold. So those are your options there. If you go down to the smaller size, then you have a few more color options. So there's actually 13 color options in all. The other one that I have used most recently was the blue. So when I had that blue tinge in my hair for a while, this was what I used, this one right here. So you can see that the smaller size is $22. And right now you can actually get the larger size for just a few bucks more than the smaller size, if you know that you're going to want to use this for an extended period of time, or, have some to put away for later kind of thing. So there you go. That's what I like to use to temporarily color my hair. It rinses out, or I guess I should say washes out after several shampoos. So yeah, it doesn't ever stain my hair. All right. So obviously you've got some different price points here for products. I decided to pick up some Hemps for Stella this go around, and I did have to order it online because the one that I wanted for her are the Healthy Hair Fortifying Shampoo and Fortifying Conditioner. This is the one that I picked up for Stella. It's online only, so I will link this down below. The reviews obviously are really good so far, so I went for it, and I think she'll like it. The smell, I think, is supposed to be kind of grapefruity, so it's Stella appropriate. But if you like the sexy hairline, that's a great cruelty-free one to try. The Hemp Sis cruelty-free. I don't know about this American Crew. I don't think Nexus is, but you can. The sexy hairline is. So if you're interested in cruelty-free, Matrix is not. Just so you know, Bedhead I don't think is either. So what other brands do we have here? So there's even, oh, here we go. This is a suggestion for you guys. I can't believe I forgot about this one. The Hosk Manoy Nourishing Conditioner. This one is usually Stella's go-to, but I figured I'd have her try something new this go around. But this one is amazing. So, yeah, I'm surprised they don't have the shampoo available. It's a little bit of a bummer, but definitely try the conditioner if you're looking for a very inexpensive, great conditioner. It's really good at detangling her little girl hair. Here you've got some jumbo sizes for $15.99. So this looks like it includes the Sebastian, the Joico, the Redken, the Biolage. I think Joico might be cruelty-free. Don't quote me on that, but these other ones are not. Over here, Kenra is a great option. This tea tree is from the Paul Mitchell line, I believe. So that is AG is cruelty-free. Redken, I don't believe is. So you've got the Nioxin down here, which is not. This Lavender Mint, I think that's also from Paul Mitchell, so that should be cruelty-free. I was kind of curious about this NeuroCare, but the reviews aren't fantastic, so I'm not picking that up. It's a 10, falls in there. One thing that I was kind of curious about was the AG hair care, because I just used recently their, what was it? It was their purple. They do, by the way, have a sterling silver toning shampoo and conditioner. I have used this in the past. It's good. I'll link that down below as well. Um, but there was, you guys, Penny. Jeez. Oh, where's the AG one? I'm totally just wasting your time scrolling through here. I'll see if I can find it. I'll link it down below. It was like a super pigmented purple like conditioner. Let's see. Yeah, I don't see it here. Was there anything else that? Sorry, I'm so disorganized, guys. This was just like a totally last minute video that I was like, oh, I need to do that. The sale goes until the 25th, I believe. So you've got a little bit of time before you have to make a decision. Obviously, you have about 3 weeks left in the sale. So anyway, those are my suggestions for you guys. If you're interested, they'll be down below in the description box. Are you planning on picking anything up, or are you going to skip this one, wait for the summer sale? Let me know. All right. Anyway, thanks so much for taking the time to watch. Have a great rest of your day, and I will see you guys later. Bye.